A video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are associated with the website Soverthlaest.space. It is really hard to properly pronounce the name of this website, and of course it doesn't really make any sense at all. However, the website is malicious because it tries to force you into subscribing to its web push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the Allow button to continue your browsing. In reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that Allow button, this very moment their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So people may be forwarded to a lot of questionable sites that may infect the system essentially. If you have clicked on Allow button, you will start experiencing a lot of problems. You'll be brought to deceptive sites, plus you'll start facing a lot of advertisements to be displayed in the right bottom part of your Windows computer screen. So what can you do to fix these issues? Go to the menu of your troubled browser, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research the list that shows websites allowed to send notifications. So if you find any malicious sites here on this list, get rid of them completely. Finally, I recommend you to additionally examine your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it and start checking your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other possible threats like adware, malware, ransomware, and other infections that may be the part of your computer. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called Anti-Ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.